Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Today is Savings Saturday. Yay! So all of these savings challenges will be coming from SilynthiaC Budget Creations, whether they are in our shop or they are from memberships or Ko-Fi. So let's count up what we are working with today. All right, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I have $40 that I'm working with today, which is fantastic for me. Slowly but surely, my numbers have increased the amount I'm stuffing. However, for the record, I am not splitting the videos like I was before, so there's a little bit more money going into these savings challenges at once because I did receive my tax refund from my state. I did pay off some bills, so that, you know, let up some money in my weekly pay. So this is not going to be forever permanent. Possibly will be. I'm working with someone to get my federal return, and then once that happens, I'll be able to pay up more of my bills. I do like the wiggle room. It's helping a lot, especially with my mental state. I've gone through so much. It's just been so wild over here that I'm trying to just keep it together, and I keep hearing over and over, don't worry about it, pray about it. And so that's what I'm working on doing a lot. So let's go ahead and see what we're doing here. I do need to, okay, yes, I have my savings challenge binder that houses my letter books, because I have a couple letter books, and we're gonna let me just pull those really quickly because I think I put them in the back. I did. Okay. I was trying to think ahead what I wanted to do. I only have 3 of them. I was trying to stack them, but things were happening, and if I needed the money, I can't just leave it sitting here. You know, I needed to access some of those dollars, and, you know, I try to replenish it, and it doesn't end up being letter bucks, but anyway, here we are. So we have 6 savings challenges that we're working with. I'm going to roll the dice to see how much each savings challenge is going to get. The first one's going to get $6. That sounds lovely to me. Maybe I should split this up so I'm not. Hopefully it's in frame, and maybe I should turn it sideways because sometimes my recording skills are not tip-top shape. They're not amazing. I've been filming on YouTube for years, but I'm still just a regular set up the camera, share my experience kind of YouTuber. I'm not like a, you know, formal, you know, this is my livelihood kind. So let's see. Oh, rolled it way over there. A 1. Okay, so just so you're aware, I realize we're in April, but I forgot to do March, so I wanted to get that one caught up. And this April one, obviously, we're on time with this one, but these 2 are actually in our SilynthiaC Budget Creation shop, and so you can find it on Etsy. $1 hair going here. This one also on Etsy. It is the monthly, Christmas monthly. $2 going here. This savings challenge is from one of Cassie J's memberships. I love these so much. I'm excited to be doing these savings challenges. Okay, we just the next one also is from one of her memberships, 5 and 6. And the last one as well is from one of her memberships, $3. Oh, this one's completed. Ha! Look at us go. Yay! Okay, so since this one's completed, we're going to go ahead and pull that one out, and then we will work on, let's see, where is my green marker? Right here. Yes, I definitely wanted some saving challenges that were not going to take me a very long time, but, you know, this one being one of them, is you save $10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm just going to grab a 5. So that way this money can be put into my savings challenge binder. It can be put into my sinking funds binder. Yes. And I can do a cash stuffing. So number 6 is completed. We're going to go back here. And since we have cash, we're going to keep going. 4, 2, 4, and we'll just go ahead and grab a 5, and that's all the 5s, okay? And then next up we have 3, 1, 2, 3, perfect. 2, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, danger zone, $3. I think number 5 is gonna get this. Oh, I don't think 5 needs it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 5 was completed already. Yikesies. Okay, we'll see where we can put this $3 in just a moment. Let's go ahead and grab Zahara. She's so pretty. I wanted to do this one as a roll and save. I have another, where's my other one at? It's a little tiny one over here. Oh, there she is. My cute little minis, or micros. They're cute. Oh my God, those are cute. Okay, let me focus. So we are adding 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $6. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this one should have saved me $15, and let's count it up to make sure. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. So we'll move this one off to the side here. And for Ebony Muse, we are adding 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one only needed 7, so we will take $1 and put it here. Completed another savings challenge. Okay, so now this savings challenge should have saved me $20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! Okay, I'll have to get some bigger bills before it's time to do my cash stuffing. All right, so this little gorgeous thing here, I'm saving all year for this savings challenge. What am I doing? Let me see. Do I want to put that one? I think I want to put this extra money to March so we can get that one taken care of. So this, I couldn't find my marker here. We're adding $3 here. So we should have a total of 6 so far. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we do. Still be working on that one. All right, into our April savings challenge, we are adding 2, 3, 4. All right, how are we going to do this? 4. I think we're just going to, color in the 3, and then we're going to fold this $1 so I know the next time I pull out this binder that this dollar needs to go to somewhere. Oh, I probably should count it up. Let's do that. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Making good progress. All right, March, where are you at? I neglected March so badly. All right, so we're going to add this $10. I added 5 last time. That's why half of the 10 is colored in. But we have 4 more dollars. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're adding a total of 14. So that means we can do our bonus, which was $10, and our 4. So now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. $19. So what do we have here? So the next time we come together, we do have less savings challenges to work with to complete. However, looks like we have pretty big numbers still. So hopefully we can get them completed. We'll see how it goes. I really like the idea of coming back to these savings challenges once a week. And like I said, I have my micros. I may work on those as roll-in saves once I complete these savings challenges, because I have so many that I am actually wanting to do. And I put most of them into this binder, so this binder's crammed with all the savings challenges I want to work on from SilynthiaC Budget Creations. But let's grab our letter books. These are also in our Etsy shop. So, so these are the monthly, Christmas monthly that I've been working on. Like I said, I'm just saving them all year, and then at the end of the year I'm going to count it up and see how much I actually saved, and hopefully get myself something nice. All right, so we're going to start with an ebook. We only have one, but that's okay. This ebooks I don't really need to finish until December, but it's really nice to finish savings challenges, especially if you have an idea or a deadline. It's so nice to get them done ahead of time. But we're going to add one ebook there. And I'm not going to count these. We'll just continue on. All right, so we don't have any K-books. K-books are for me. E-books are for Ethan. That's Cassie's son, and they're in Texas, so I want to send that money to them. And then the last two is a B and a D, and those are for my kiddos. And I wanted to give them this money for their birthday, which is in June. So whatever I finish is what they'll get, but I want to try to get the full 50 because I do have some ideas for their birthday already set up. So let's add this B book. And the B books are for Vincent, and the D books are for Victor. And I like for them to be the same amount. I say that every week because I don't want one to get more love than the other, especially financially, because, you know, they're 9 and 10 years old. They're going to be, you know, 11 and 10, but that doesn't mean they're not going to be jealous of one another if mom gives one more than the other. Okay, we've completed our letter book savings challenges as well as our SilynthiaC Budget Creation Savings Saturday savings challenges. And also, we've got a couple of our savings challenges completed. I do need to get some change, so I'm not going to pull out my my other binder right now. Maybe I should. No, I'm not. Okay, that's it, you guys. That's it. I'm a mess. Don't worry. I'm okay, but I'm a mess. You know. Anyway, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.